lesson is more on correlation. So please listen because I will be explaining the lesson wherein it is a marathon. It is a marathon. Okay. So we have 12 students in our example. 11 and 12. So we have 12 students in our example. Okay. So class X, is this math or English? Is this math or English? Class X. Okay. That's why it's English. Okay. Rx represent their rank. Ry represent their rank in English. Yes, that's why. And then we have G as gate. Listen. Okay, so these are now the score in math and English. Now, listen. What is the highest in mathematics? Okay, so that is rank 1. Okay, rank 1. Alright. So, we have already rank 1. Now, we will get who is rank 2, rank 3, 4, 5, and etc. Okay. Who is the second rank? So there are 2. There are 2. So what should you do? There are 2. You add, get your calculator now, you add 2 plus 3 divided by 2. That is rank. You add 2 plus 3 divided by 2. What's the answer? So the rank is 2.5. So if there are 3 ties, divided by 3. You add the 3 and then divide it by 3. You rank the 3 rank and then divide it by 2. That is how we get the rank. Can you follow? Okay. So 2 and 3 have already a rank by 2.5. Any clarification from group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? If you cannot understand, please react so that I will explain it. Okay, no more. Alright, so everybody got it? How we rank? Okay, now for which is rank 4 now in TextX? 27, ilan sila? There are 2. So, 4 plus 5 divided by 2.
4.5.
So, their rank is 4.5. So, get na yung 4 and 5. Which is the next? 6. Then, ano po ang next? 27? 22. So, dalawa ulit. So, ito ay 5 and 6 ba? 6 and 7. Okay? 6 plus 7 divided by 2. Okay, so that is how we get the rank. Now, if there are 4, you add the 4, then divide it by 4. And that is the rank. Get it? Can you follow? How about rank Y? Okay. Which is the highest? 30. Oh, we have 2. So we add 1 plus 2 divided by 2. Okay. Get it? Come on. Proceed.
1.5.
Okay. So what is the rank? Oh, there.
1.
Okay? Oh. So, get na ang 1 and 2 sa rank Y. So, we have, what is the next to 22?
28.
28.
Dalawang
We have
ulit.
2 again. So, 3 plus 4 divided by 2.
2.5.
So, that is 3.5 and that is 3.5. So, that is how we get the rank. Okay? Can you follow, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So, marathon. Tayo. Now, game. We subtract rank X from rank Y. Those who are only positive. Those who are only positive. So if we subtract 8 plus 6 positive, 2.
2.
If we subtract 6.5 from 3.5, it's positive 3. How about 2.5 to 6? Negative. So
Negative.
you void it. You void it. Okay? And then another negative, so it cannot be. Now, 12 minus 9.5, 2.5, 11 minus 9.5. Okay? 10 minus 3.5, 6.5, then 9 minus 1.5, 7.5. Okay, we add all of these. The gain is equal to 23. Now, so in your module, we have the equation rho minus 6, then the gain over m squared minus 1. So this is the equation or formula. So 6 is constant. Constant. 1 is constant. And we know that n is 12. Then, negative 1 is, minus 1 is, I should say, is constant. So R, then rho, bring down 1, minus. We have 6, then the gain,
23.
23, and our n is 12 square minus 1. Okay, so R, bring down 1, minus. We multiply 6 times 23. Multiply it.
138.
Okay, over square 12 minus 1. Bring down 1. Then R. Alright. 138, divide it by 143. 138, divide it by 143.
0.96.
Okay, here. Okay, bring down 1 R. Okay. 1 minus 0.96. So, what is the answer? 1 minus 0.096. 0.04. Okay, class? We subtract and then, so this will be eliminated. So, final answer, R equals 0.04. So that is the answer.